Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share a fun and relaxing activity with you, painting my toenails using gel polish. So grab your favorite gel color and let's get started together. First, make sure your toenails are clean and trimmed. This will help the polish to adhere better and create a smooth finish. And since I'm doing gel nails, I'm gonna apply nail dehydrator and primer. I love starting with a base coat. It protects my nails and helps the color pop. Apply a thin layer and cure it under the lamp for about 60 seconds. Now let's pick a color. I'm going with this gorgeous shade of green. It's perfect for summer. Apply a thin layer of gel polish, making sure to cover the entire nail but avoiding those cuticles. And cure it again under the lamp for 60 seconds. Once the first coat is done, let's go for a second layer to really make that color vibrant. Remember, thin layer are key. After curing, we'll finish up with a top coat for that closey shine, and don't forget to cure it one last time. And finally, I'm using the non-stick top coat, and look at those perfect shiny toenails. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY session as much as I did. So now I'm just gonna finish off with the cuticle oil. And thanks for joining me today. If you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun beauty tips. See you next time.